Write a possible equation for the following graph using transformations. Use a coefficient of -1 or +1. So to do this, what we have to do is know what the basic shapes of graphs look like. And there's not many to know. We have the uh, squared graph, which is a parabola, the cubic, which is kind of like a parabola, but uh, it's not one side is facing down instead of both sides facing upward. But you should know all of these basic graphs. Now, this one right here is the graph of a cubic. I can see that it looks kind of like a parabola, but one side of the parabola is facing downward. So, since it's a cubic, the graph formula is going to look something like y equals a times x minus h cubed plus k. So we're already well on our way. The value of h and k come from this special point right here. So the coordinates of this point are h and k. So if we notice here, the coordinates of this point would be 4, -3. So let's plug those in. So now we have y equals x, and it's minus h, so it's going to be -4 cubed, then plus k. So if there's a plus k, it just means we don't take the opposite of that sign. So it's going to be x minus 4 cubed minus 3, and a. Let's see what to do with a. We're told here to use either a coefficient of +1 or -1. If it's +1, obviously we're not going to write anything in, but if it's -1, we'll just put the negative sign in. Now in this case, the graph of x cubed, the normal graph of it, starts at the origin and looks like this. This one has been flipped. It's been reversed so that it's going down like this instead. So that means it's getting multiplied by a negative. So we'll put a negative out front, and there we have it. You could plug this into your calculator and graph it, and double check that the graphs look the same.